Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the tag type because technique changes with pin versus magnetic locks. Get the detacher ready, check for damage and a stable base, and plug or test power if applicable. Hold the item flat and steady to avoid sudden torque on fabric or tag. Align the detacher face to the tag's barrel, keeping your fingers away from the hinge and pin path. Once aligned, maintain steady pressure. This prevents bending and prepares you to release the lock cleanly. Now you engage the detacher. Center the magnet or head over the tag barrel so the internal mechanism lines up. Use firm, steady downward pressure for a couple of seconds. That lets the internal pins or magnet disengage without shock. If you feel resistance, pause and recenter rather than increasing force, because sudden torque can puncture fabric or break the tag. Once the mechanism clicks free, gently lift the detacher while supporting the item to avoid snagging. Make sure to keep finish by checking the garment and tag, remove any bent pins, and safely store or dispose of hardware. If the tag doesn't release, don't escalate force. Recenter and try up to 3 controlled attempts because repeated misalignment causes damage. If it still holds, switch to the manufacturer's tool or contact support rather than improvising with pliers. Finally, log the failed removal and the tag serial if required by store policy, so the problem can be traced, and the correct replacement tool or procedure can be provided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.